Skin investing. It's a topic that everyone talks about, and even though we had the massive crash, it still feels like it's the most clicked on topic in the CS community. And well, the reason why I want to do this video is because I was thinking about selling a specific skin. However, one thing that I realized is it's not really getting sold a lot. And while the interest in that item has to be there is one crucial factor that a lot of people feel like are not really discussing. And is what if everything goes wrong? What happens when the economy tanks and what happens with the skins? That is what I want to talk about. But before that, guys, don't forget about the giveaway in the description down below. Check out the Discord for more. And now a quick word from our sponsor. With Skins Monkey, you can easily trade your CS skins just a few clicks. It's a fully automated trading platform with 24/7 live chat support and a massive inventory of skins to choose from. When you trade at least $10 worth of skins, you get up to $5 for free as a bonus. To maximize it, trade $100 and grab that extra $5 bonus. Skins Monkey also offers a 35% bonus when you use my code SHIFTERZ, and also check out their free section for awesome giveaways. Click the link below, use my code, and now back to the video. So imagine this, and it's pretty fitting with the current times. There's an economic crisis, people are losing money fast, and obviously they have to sell off assets to still stay liquid. And well, for a couple of those people, skins is that investment. However, what happens when everyone sells, and before you know it, you have too many sellers and not a lot of buyers? And normally commodities like CS skins or other commodities like going out to eat, going on holidays, and all of the leisure activities, those are things where people start cutting back first. And before you know it, getting liquid is not really that easy anymore, since no one is buying your skin, even on a discounted price. And well, this is the thing that no one really tells you when they're talking about investing. At the end, CS is still a game, and it is a commodity that people spend their leisure time on and play. And that basically means if for some reason you think you can make it big in CS on your leisure time, on your off day time, it's not really going to happen unless you get really lucky with an investment because something shoots up because of an unpredictable outcome. Most people will most likely maybe make a bit of profit or go into the minus. However, the more reasonable way of making money is obviously through the traditional means. Then another topic is the market cap of CS. While it is impressive that the market cap right now is again almost $6 billion US, and that's crazy for a couple of skins in a video game, the market cap is still significantly smaller than compared to ETFs. And for that, we're taking a look at a couple of examples. Obviously, the first example that I want to give to you is an MSCI World ETF, and here the market cap is almost 4 times the size of the current market. And while that doesn't sound that impressive, you have to consider you're investing here with an ETF in different companies, in different sectors, and in different countries. And investing skins is basically like you're investing all into one company. So for example, Nvidia. And even if we take a look at a more focused ETF, so for example, this one that focuses mainly in information technology. And again, here on screen, you can see in which sectors this is mostly investing, but at the bottom, you can see the top 10 summary, and almost 76% are invested into the top 10 companies here on screen. And if they fail, this is a huge risk. And basically putting everything into skins at this point is not investing, it is most likely gambling even. Since you never know when the next lawsuit might come against Valve, or Valve could somehow mess up and the game is not interesting anymore. And when people lose interest in the game, so will they also lose interest in skins. And that is why I want to move slowly into the conclusion of this video. I'm not telling you to stop investing in skins and stop spending money on the game. At the end of the day, it is your choice. What I'm trying to tell you is be aware of the factor that the money you invest in here, you're all putting it into one basket. Yes, the profits might be higher if you do it this way. However, you're gambling with your money. Rather take the approach that people offer when it comes to investing into stuff like crypto. Around 1 or 2% of your portfolio should be in skins. So when it or if it goes belly up, you are only losing 1% of your total value. And while it then sucks because you lost money in a game that you like and like to invest in, but at the end you are not losing your life savings. Rather invest in an ETF like the one I showed at the beginning, so the first example, since it covers a wide variety of products, industries, and developed countries. And by spreading everything apart, you are minimizing the risk of losing money. And with that said, guys, let me know your take on all of this. Let's start a discussion in the chat, and as always, don't forget to hype up the video, leave a like and a subscribe would be massively appreciated. And with that said, guys, I will see you guys on the next one, and stay safe out there.